So our next uh, episode or verse or chapter is the Exodus 15. Ano po ba ang Exodus 15? Exodus 15 is the beautiful chapter of praise, thanksgiving, and worship. After God miraculously delivered the Israelites through the Red Sea, Moses and the Israelites sang a song to glorify him. Later, when they reached the waters of Mara and found them bitter, God made the waters sweet and reminded them to trust and obey Him. Yan po ang ating Exodus 15. God deserves our praise because He is our Savior, deliverer, healer, and provider. We should worship Him not only after receiving His blessings, but also continue trusting Him through life's challenges. Yan. Kailangan po tayo magpapasalamat, magpupuri sa Panginoon, hindi dahil may na-receive lamang tayong blessing sa Kanya. Hindi po. Paus na po ako. Apo. So, yun po yan. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. Napakasarap po magpuri sa ating Panginoon. At napakasarap pong kinakausap ang Diyos. Sa umaga, pagdilat nyo sa gabi, sa umaga, pagdilat nyo sa umaga, kausapin nyo na po si Lord. Hindi pa kayo bumababa ng kanang bed nyo, magpuri na po kayo sa Panginoon. Dahil napakasarap po purihin ng Panginoon. Masarap po magmahal ang ating Diyos. Parati po niya tayong gagabayan, papatnubayan, at poprotektahan. Okay? So what are the lessons we learned from Exodus 14? Always thank God for His blessings. The Israelites immediately praised God after He saved them. Make gratitude a daily habit. Give God the glory for every blessings, whether big or small. So sana maging habit po natin na tayo nagpupuri, nagpapasalamat po sa ating Diyos sa araw-araw na ating buhay. Yan po ay napakasarap na maging habit. God alone deserves our worship. The song celebrates God and much power and holiness. Worship God with a sincere heart because He alone is worthy. Kailangan po pag nagpupuri tayo sa Panginoon Diyos, ang puso po natin ay tunay na tunay, ibig sabihin sincere. Dahil worth it po purihin ang ating Diyos. Remember God's faithfulness. The Israelites sang about what God had done for them. Recalling God's past faithfulness strengthen our faith for future challenges. Kapag naalala po natin ang lahat ng ginagawa sa atin ng ating Panginoon, ay makagagaan at makapagpapalakas ng ating kalooban. God is our healer. You know, nag-attend po ako before ng Life in the Spirit. Ang hiningi ko po sa kay Lord na power is the healing power. Yung aking right hand, kapag hindi po ko po yan sa kaninong karamdaman, hinihingi ko po sa Panginoon at pinapaalala ko po sa Kanya na ang hiningi ko po sa inyo ay power of healing. Kaya kapag may karamdaman po yung hini po ko, with God's grace, talaga naman pong gumagaling. I'm not a healer, but I can use the power of God because I asked it from my God. Okay? Obedience brings God's blessings. Alam niyo po ba yon? Na kapag tayo masunurin at mabait at tapat sa ating Panginoon, ang kapalit po niyan ay pagpapala, unlimited blessings. God called the people to listen His voice and obey His commands. Actually, nakakausap po ang Diyos. Yung sinasabi po niya na voice is the wisdom coming from our mind because God is a spirit. Espiritu po ang Panginoon, nakakausap po siya. Through your mind, sinasabi po ni Lord ang kanyang message doon. Okay? Walking in obedience brings peace, protection, and closer relationship with our God. Yan po ang kagandahan ng ating binasa ngayon na Exodus 15. Kailangan we must be always faithful to God and obey the rules of God. And remember, sin is the key for you to stay with God. Keep away from any sins because God is with you and God is watching you. To God be the glory. Have a beautiful day.